Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Don't open. Give her, open. Kesa, what are we looking at here?
The Taj Mahal.
So we're here at the backside of the Taj Mahal, and it is right set on the banks of this river here. But if you have a quick look, the river water is some of the most disgusting I've ever seen.
Show them.
I will show them. Not like this. No, no, no. Like this.
Perfect selfie.
Perfect selfie, yeah.
We are here at the Taj Mahal. We got up really early this morning, came and kind of cut through the line by paying some guy to let us in. And now we're just patiently waiting for the sun to rise. 5, 2, 3. We have a bag of white clothes to get all messed up for Holi.
This is the Taj Mahal. I built it out of Lego. Right here is exactly where the queen died, in the middle of the heart. And on this side is where the king died. There was a really dirty river and a boat that we could see that on the Taj Mahal at. So this is the boat, and then this is the other side, and then front again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Hey. Are you driving? Knock it over. Woo!